All right, guys, 2000 Ford Lightning. This is what, round 4?
Something like that.
Round 4, round 5, I don't know. He's a really good friend of ours. So, what we got done on it this time for him. Last time we put high flow cats there and there. And then we true dueled it for him. But he wanted to change the tone a little bit before he goes to the car show this weekend. So he brought it back, and he's done some research and said, I need an X pipe. So that's what we did for him. We just slapped an X pipe on there, give him some more tone and low end torque right there. And then it's true dueled out the back into the special Ford Lightning tips, as you guys can see right there. So there it is, out the sides, Ford Lightning Special. Looks good. Harley Davidson edition. It was custom made to be like a Harley Davidson, but it is a true Ford Lightning. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, if you want to follow his build, that's his Instagram right there. Make sure you guys go hit him up and say Exhaust Addicts sent you, please, in the comments. I changed it. Yeah. Again, 105. Again, Ford Lightning, baby. Again, yeah, took all the rest away. Go ahead and back it up. Again, follow his build. There it is. That one Ford dude. That's a nice tone, deep tone. Very nice. Ford Lightning SVT. Came out perfect. And for you unbelievers, we're going to show you that it is a true Ford Lightning, as you guys can see. And here's the badge, because I hear a lot of comments that it's not a true Lightning. It is. Very well built. How many miles are on it?
116.
116, and you got it with less than 100 on it, didn't you?
I was right at it.
Yeah. See, as you guys can see. All right, there's the badge. There's the idle on it. Enjoy, guys. That was awesome. We always appreciate them coming in.